Have you ever wondered what makes Mountain Dew stand out among hundreds of other beverages? It's not just the explosive flavor from the first sip, but also the complex journey from ingredients to the unique production formula. I had the rare opportunity to explore the Mountain Dew factory and discovered that behind every can lies a story of creativity, precision, and distinction. Join me as we uncover the secrets that have made Mountain Dew a legendary brand. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Mountain Dew originated from a bold and unique idea in the 1940s in Tennessee, USA. Barney and Allie Hartman, two brothers with a passion for mixing drinks, created a beverage designed to be mixed with whiskey. They wanted something different, strong, refreshing, and full of character. The name Mountain Dew, originally a Southern slang term for strong alcohol, was fittingly adopted for this new drink from the very beginning. However, the real transformation occurred when Charles Gordon, a beverage distributor, recognized the potential of the product. He helped refine the formula, adding citrus flavors, and brought Mountain Dew to a broader market. When PepsiCo acquired Mountain Dew in 1964, they quickly turned the brand into a symbol of creativity and energy. With an innovative advertising strategy and an increasingly perfected formula, Mountain Dew rose to global prominence.
Yahoo! Mountain Dew! Now he shoots off the cup. It's more than enough. After sure as shooting, there's a bang in every bottle of our delicious soft drink, Mountain Dew. It'll tickle your innards.
Dew in serious jeopardy. This generally harmless male will dipstick. A fierce battle rages. Yet, in the end, to the victor go the spoils.
Hey man, how you feeling?
Not bad.
Now let's dive into the Mountain Dew production process. As I stepped into the ingredient preparation area, I was immediately captivated by the large containers of high-grade corn syrup and the mysterious bottles of secret flavorings. These are the core components that create Mountain Dew's unmistakable taste. Every ingredient from pure water to corn syrup and natural flavors is meticulously selected. Especially noteworthy is the citrus flavoring, a unique blend of tart lemon and sweet orange that is key to the burst of flavor Mountain Dew delivers. The careful selection and combination of ingredients are the first distinguishing features that set this drink apart from others. Discovery Challenge. What do you think is the secret ratio that gives Mountain Dew its unique flavor? Could it be the perfect combination of lemon, orange, and other secret ingredients? Take a guess. Watching the mixing process. As you begin to understand why Mountain Dew is such a distinctive flavor, giant vats filled with pure water, corn syrup, and those special citrus flavorings are blended under strict control. Each drop of flavoring is carefully calculated to ensure the perfect balance of sweetness, tartness, and the stimulating kick of caffeine. This is where the magic happens, creating a flavor that is both refreshing and invigorating, unmatched by any other beverage.
Get off your ass.
After blending, the mixture is filtered and sterilized to ensure that every can of Mountain Dew meets purity standards. But don't be fooled. Though this may seem like a technical step, it plays a crucial role in preserving the signature flavor that Mountain Dew is known for. This purity not only guarantees safety for consumers, but also keeps the citrus flavor fresh and vibrant with every sip.
You're getting thirsty, bold, refreshing. So good. I mean, dude.
Reaching the packaging line, I was struck by the perfection in each can of Mountain Dew. Advanced automation technology ensures that each can is sealed and stored properly, preserving the distinctive, refreshing flavor. The neon green color of Mountain Dew, partly thanks to a unique color additive, not only makes the product visually appealing, but also invokes a sense of freshness and energy at first glance. This is what makes Mountain Dew stand out: an explosive flavor and a striking appearance. After leaving the production line, the cans of Mountain Dew are shipped everywhere, carrying their signature flavor and burst of energy to every street corner and store shelf. Each can is not just a product of technology, but the result of a long, carefully managed process. When you hold a can of Mountain Dew in your hand, remember that it's the culmination of a complex journey, executed with precision and a passion for delivering a unique taste.
What's up, man? How you doing?
But the story of Mountain Dew goes beyond flavor and quality. The brand is also deeply committed to environmental protection. The factory uses advanced technology to minimize environmental impact. From water conservation to recycling materials, they are dedicated not only to producing the best product, but also to protecting the planet for future generations. These efforts have made Mountain Dew a brand that leads not only in taste, but also in social responsibility. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Mountain Dew. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.